Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ripple. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And given crypto market is open 24/7, from a presentation standpoint, allows for me to put out a video that remains relevant for as long as possible. So let's start by focusing on this orange line here, and this comes from a previous video I did. To be honest, I don't remember the last time I did Ripple, but the last time I did do it, I talked about this orange trend line here being a key level of support. And what I want to do here is first just extend this out a little bit, because this just provides a great real-life example of the power of charts. So right here, and there's a rule within charts that says, when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So to kind of go back through the history of the chart quickly, you can see right there is where that support level was broken. So the trend line broke, price fell down below it. And then to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did actually go on a very nice bounce. And then look where the bounce essentially failed. Did it hit that orange line exactly? No. But can we all agree that it was very, very well within the ballpark? Yeah, absolutely. So just a classic example, a real life example of how supports tend to act as resistance levels. And now the price has since fallen back downwards. I am going to go ahead and just get rid of that line now because there's other easier ways we can measure the areas of resistance. And the big key level of resistance by far, which is no doubt about it, a big thorn in the side of the bulls, is this purple line right here, which is the famous 50 period simple moving average. You can see several times there, knocked down the price, knocked down the price, knocked down the price. Right here, knocked down the price pretty recently, and now the price, is down below it. So going forward, from a resistance standpoint, very straightforward until the price can not only break above that purple line, but most importantly, stay above it. Case in point, once again, right here. Yeah, the price broke above it, but when it came to staying above it, the bulls couldn't quite do it, and the price, failed and fell back below it. So it's kind of a two-pronged attack. That first box, that first prong that needs to be accomplished, getting up above that purple line. The second box, the second prong, staying up above the purple line. So without doubt, 50-period moving average, that key level of resistance going forward. As far as levels of support are concerned, the key one right now, which I believe the price is holding up above, yeah, right at this key level at $1.10. You go back through the history of the chart, and you can see bulls did a great job of holding strong. Fast forward to today, and actually, essentially right now as we speak, this level right here at $1.10 is doing a good job of hanging strong, and that's what you want to continue to see happen. In the event the price cannot hold above that $1.10 mark, I'm not saying the price is headed down here within, just a couple of hours, but within the grand scheme of things, next level of support, not until 85 cents, which was essentially the bottom of that crazy move that happened a couple of weeks ago. So yeah, this little temporary breakout didn't have any sort of power behind it. The price is now rolling over. Now it's just a big question of, can this key $1.10 mark hold? Only time will tell. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.